Well, hello everybody. How's everybody doing? My name is Brother Spencer Williford. Y'all doing good? Oh, I know I am. How about y'all? Amen. I tell you what, I want you to listen to a song and then we'll be right back. Give me just a second. You need to make a friend on Facebook page and you'll find out that Spencer loves God. And God is truly a miracle worker today. Y'all worship Him. This world's whole happy life in His own. Well, there's no doubt what He needs to get prayer. That church with the house of faith in God. Well, He's not dead. And no, God's not dead.